YouTubers, we got a special day. We're gonna smash this dory hole. I got a guest with me, my cousin. So, me and him are gonna get started. He's got his other cousin on the phone. So, go. Oh! Okay! Hit the button! Hit the button! What? Don't hit anything else. Here you go.
Alright, just watch this.
I'm
gonna try to see this thing.
Go what? Speed up. You were crazy.
Alright, I'm gonna keep going crazy.
Don't go too crazy. Don't want to hit too much. Too big for me. Let me tell you. Guys, what can make the most? Shut the fuck up!
Oh, yeah, you heard him? Shut up!
Hold on. Watch the thing behind your head there with the back.
Alright, watch me do it.
Hold on, 2 minutes. Go. Wipe over. Oh shit. Alright. Daddy too. Oh shit. Don't hit him. Mom, every fucking time.
Here, let me give it the tap.
No, I told you it would fall.
Is that right?
No, it's stuck.
Oh, it's gonna come out.
Yeah, it is.
Of course, when we're taking the video.
Yeah, it's only camping now. Alright, be careful. It can fall, but you have to stand the fuck back.
Are you ready?
Hold on. This is gonna get dangerous. Go.
Go. We both did it. Oh, you almost hit my face.
Well, watch out. Gotta stand and come back. Please. Ah, damn. Okay, don't hit the white sockets too much. You make it explode. We got a lot of shit to clear now. Wait a minute. Hold on. As you can see, my cousin does not fuck off. Look at the white. Hold on. That place gonna kill me.
What? What was that smash me?
I think you killed it.
Why? What's that?
We're gonna plug it out because you're doing a spin. Yeah. Hold on. Make up another weapon. God damn it.
You wanna trade?
Huh?
You wanna trade?
Oh,
I always take turns.
no. Oh, there you go. Oh, God. She's falling in my face. Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, let's switch. Let's switch. My turn. Get back. Get back now. Ow. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Now let me do it.
Ah! What go?
Yeah. Go. Yes.
Oh God, look at it.
Watch. What's up?
No, don't do that. Smack it down. Just get back when it goes.
Oh, wait, now stop. Make it stop swinging.
No.
Cause what if it swings at us?
Yeah, you just gotta get back. Stop fucking that falling.
See the light bulb? Oh, you see that light bulb?
Whoa! I'm fucking in that fall again. I gotta make sure you don't hit the TV too.
Oh, when I do that, it's gonna fall asleep.
Oh God damn it!
Try turning it.
Hey, I forget my job.
Yeah, cause if the wire gets all twisted up, when it
Yeah.
falls,
No, move.
watch it. Move real quick. Stop hitting it. Move real
Ow, fuck! Hit me again! Hit me!
Yeah.
Fuck again!
Hit it with it.
We're making a video to be quiet. Hold on, okay. Oh yeah, guys, what? It's these nuts. There you go, guys. No.
Hey, guys, this is how you beat it on the ground. That's how you beat it on the ground. Can you see this? Can you see it?
Well, we'll do that off camera. It's gonna. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for the video. Let's just go piss out.
Peace out.